guys, let's do ASMR with mine. I really don't like the smell of this little sausage. Hope you're gonna taste it for the first time. This is my first time tasting this kind of sausage. Yeah. This is like normal sausage. Kush, my bro, kush. I'm falling in love with those chips. I don't like this Vienna. I don't like Australia Vienna in the first place. Guys, I'm not supposed to have my phone actually. And my mom is here. We went to the chocolate. I was thinking I had my phone. And she said yes. Then I get my phone. My mom's not there. She makes it really sneaky. My mom's are not here, then we're on our phone. Woo! It's a great ASMR. Guys, no one try the sausage. Please don't. It don't taste nice. It is like pricky. In December, I only want to hear. Hoe wil sy staan, wil sy lê, wil sy boek, tot die ding gaat rook. So guys, I'm gonna go get more food, but I'm gonna end this video now.